Hello and welcome to Cooking with Max. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the world famous cheese bread and ketchup sandwich. So first of all, you need to get the ingredients, which is bread, obviously, ketchup, and cheese. Okay. Next, you have to slam the cheese down onto a plate until it breaks. And yeah, of course, that's how you cut cheese. Then you have to throw bread down onto a plate in slow motion. Yeah, now you put the actual cheese onto the bread. Of course, you have to make it look really nice, right? Then you have to start making it rain ketchup onto the bread and the cheese, right? Okay. I may have overdone it here, but whatever. Anyways, now you take the other piece of bread and put it on top of that piece of bread. And yeah, ta-da! That's how you make the famous sandwich. Time for montage. Thanks for watching. Y'all should go and hit that like and subscribe button.